Hello dear traders, today we are going to present you the current week economic calendar. In the light of holidays, this week does not seem to abound in macroeconomic data. There are some important events, however. At the beginning of the week, Japan is expected to release its consumer price index. The KOF leading indicators index for Switzerland is to be published, and the USA will provide data on the consumer confidence. Thus, according to the KOF Swiss Economic Institute, a fall of the key indicator of the national economy in November exceeded the forecast. The KOF leading indicator dropped to 0.35 as compared to 0.75 registered in October. Analysts forecasted the index to decrease to 0.65. Experts predict this index is likely to reach 0.66. In a short term, the economic activity in Switzerland may be negatively affected by a strong national currency, and the GDP growth may thus continue at its lowest rate possible. Besides, the KOF downgraded its GDP forecast in 2011 from 2.3% to 1.8%. The next index to be released is the U.S. Consumer Confidence. It showed strong growth in November this year, having risen to 50 points versus 40.9 points in October, which is the lowest reading since April 2009. The actual reading of this index proved to be worse than the forecast of 43.9 points. The October data was revised upwards from the value of 39.8 points. In December, most analysts await increase of this indicator to the level of 58.9 points. In its turn, the consumer price index for Japan only grew by 0.1% in October 2011, which is the smallest gain, though a month ago annual inflation in the land of rising sun demonstrated zero growth. In comparison to October 2010, the consumer price index was showing a negative annual rate of change, minus 0.2% during the last 4 months, which totally coincided with the focus by financiers. Only consumer prices for goods dropped on an annual basis to constitute minus 0.5%, while the service sector prices gained 0.1%. So Japan's economy is again pressed down by deflation processes, which is definitely unfavorable for the economic growth in the land of rising sun. The preliminary data on the consumer price index of Japan is minus 0.4% annually. That was all to this day. Follow the next economic calendars from InstaTV team.